I'm passionate about crafts. I've had brilliant ideas every day. Adrenaline rush, my heart beats like a drum every time I touch scraps of fabric and thread, brought to embroider, knit, weave into art, create a work most joyful, soothe the heart. Don't waste time, hurry up and grab needle, thread, assemble various fabric fibers to be a joyful melody. I'm passionate about crafts. I have brilliant ideas every day. Adrenaline rush, my heart beats like a drum every time I touch beautiful patterns on fabric fibers, changing imagination every time. Happiness when doing is a dream that is fulfilled. Like life is filled with color, the artist in my heart is calling. The world is the stage where I play. Join the show and create with my heart. I'm passionate about crafts. I have brilliant ideas every day. Adrenaline rush, my heart beats like a drum every time you touch like a collection. I'm passionate about crafts. I've had brilliant ideas every day. Adrenaline rush, my heart beats like a drum every time I touch scraps of fabric and thread, brought to embroider, knit, weave into art, create a work most joyful, soothe the heart. Don't waste time, hurry up and grab needle, thread, assemble various fabric fibers to be a joyful melody. I'm passionate about crafts. I have brilliant ideas every day. Adrenaline rush, my heart beats like a drum every time I touch beautiful patterns on fabric fibers, changing imagination every time. Happiness when doing is a dream that is fulfilled. Like life is filled with color, the artist in my heart is calling. The world is the stage where I play. Join the show and create with my heart. I'm passionate about crafts. I have brilliant ideas every day. Adrenaline rush, my heart beats like a drum every time you touch like a collection. passionate about crafts. I've had brilliant ideas every day. Adrenaline rush, my heart beats like a drum every time I touch scraps of fabric and thread, brought to embroider, knit, weave into art, create a work most joyful, soothe the heart. Don't waste time, hurry up and grab needle thread, assemble various fabric fibers to be a joyful melody. I'm passionate about crafts, I have brilliant ideas every day. Adrenaline rush, my heart beats like a drum every time I touch beautiful patterns on fabric fibers, changing imagination every time. Happiness when doing is a dream that is fulfilled. Like life is filled with color, the artist in my heart is calling. The world is the stage where I play. Join the show and create with my heart. I'm passionate about crafts, I have brilliant ideas every day. Adrenaline rush, my heart beats like a drum every time you touch like a collection. I'm passionate about crafts, I've had brilliant ideas every day. Adrenaline rush, my heart beats like a drum every time I touch scraps of fabric and thread, brought to embroider, knit, weave into art, create a work most joyful, soothe the heart. Don't waste time, hurry up and grab needle thread, assemble various fabric fibers to be a joyful melody. I'm passionate about crafts, I have brilliant ideas every day. Adrenaline rush, my heart beats like a drum every time I touch beautiful patterns on fabric fibers, changing imagination every time. Happiness when doing is a dream that is fulfilled. Like life is filled with color, the artist in my heart is calling. The world is the stage where I play. Join the show and create with my heart. I'm passionate about crafts, I have brilliant ideas every day. Adrenaline rush, my heart beats like a drum every time you touch like a collection. I'm passionate about crafts. I've had brilliant ideas every day. Adrenaline rush, my heart beats like a drum every time I touch scraps of fabric and thread, brought to embroider, knit, weave into art, create a work most joyful, soothe the heart. Don't waste time, hurry up and grab needle thread, assemble various fabric fibers to be a joyful melody. I'm passionate about crafts. I have brilliant ideas every day. Adrenaline rush, my heart beats like a drum every time I touch beautiful patterns on fabric fibers, changing imagination every time. Happiness when doing is a dream that is fulfilled. Like life is filled with color, the artist in my heart is calling. The world is the stage where I play. Join the show and create with my heart. I'm passionate about crafts. I have brilliant ideas every day. Adrenaline rush, my heart beats like a drum every time you touch like a collection.